Mari is at the forefront of feature film texturing. It is used in just about every single visual effects film that you can imagine. Hi, my name is Michael Cox. I'm a senior visual effects artist who's worked in the industry now for probably 15 to 20 years. This tutorial that I've put together for you focuses on a piece of software called Mari. It has the ability to work on very large assets, very complex assets, which sort of puts it heads and above anything else at the moment. So this has just been a really quick introduction to the course itself. I really hope that you enjoy the content I've created for you. And my greatest wish is that you come away from this whole thing with a lot more skills and tools at your disposal that you can use to further your careers in this industry.